Hey everybody, it's Scott coming back at you for Volt Grooming. You know, prior to the pandemic starting, I traveled about 100,000 miles a year for business each year for the last 25 years. I'm an official road warrior. One of the most important things I need to do before I travel is prepare my DOPP Kit. DOPP Kits have been around for a long time. Actually, when I was a kid, I was convinced they were called DOPP Kits, D-O-B-B, when in fact they're called DOPP Kits, D-O-P-P, named after Charles Doppel, a craftsman back in 1926. In fact, the US Army in World War I provide toiletry bags, which actually is what a DOPP Kit is, to soldiers. Today, DOPP Kits come in a variety of forms. I prefer a canvas DOPP Kit that can be durable because I do travel a lot and they do get banged around a lot. So before I travel, I've got to figure out what to put in my DOPP Kit to make sure that I've got everything I need when I'm on the road. And sometimes I'm on the road longer than I think I would be due to weather conditions or travel or maybe customer demands. So what I'm going to do right now is simply fill my DOPP Kit with all those things that I take with me that I find most important. A little tutorial, if you will, on what you should take with you when you too head out on the road. So first, it's the very basics. I'm going to grab my toothbrush, my toothpaste, and my razor blade. While I've always rocked the beard, I want to make sure that I've got a clean neck and that the area above my cheeks are clean as well. And make sure I've got my razor blade. Ever since the start of the pandemic, hotels have been cutting back on amenities. So I make sure that I travel with a small bottle of shampoo and a small bar of soap, just in case. And then of course, my deodorant. Want to make sure I've got my deodorant with me at all times. You know, as a man over 50, I've got a little bit of high cholesterol, and I want to make sure that I carry with me any medication that's necessary to keep me healthy while on the road. So I take my cholesterol medication, maybe a little medication for high blood pressure, and then as a 5-day-a-week gym guy, I always found it helpful to have a little bit of Tylenol with me to help ease those aches and pains. The next set of items I'm going to pack in my DOPP Kit are those things that I use for my men's grooming routine. The products that I use at home, that I use at the gym, I want to take with me on the road. These are often the products that men forget to pack in their DOPP Kit more often than not. I make sure that I have my Volt Grooming Surf Salt Spray with me at all times. This is great because when I'm on the go, a couple of sprays and my hair can be held in place exactly the way I want it. Great for my hair, great for my beard. Another benefit of Surf Salt Spray on the road is that it acts as a cleanser. So if you're out super late one night and you've got to get up super early the next morning, you don't have time to shower and go through your whole routine, you can use Surf Salt Spray not only to fix your hair and your beard, but also as a cleanser. So you know that your hair is clean and will look good no matter where you are. I also make sure that I carry Volt Lube, which helps hydrate and nourish my beard. My beard gets very, very dry and my skin gets dry. And Volt Grooming's Lube keeps it nice and moisturized. And then of course, Volt's Sculpt Wax. It's a travel size, it's made to travel, and it's great for making sure that I've got great shape and hold in my beard and my mustache, a product that I use every day. I also want to make sure that I've got the right hairbrushes with me. I have my regular hairbrush that I use every morning on my hair, and then I've got my round brush that I use to help keep my beard managed. As my beard gets longer, it tends to grow out, it tends to get really calicky. Using a round brush and a hair dryer, I'm able to keep my beard down and keep my beard looking its best. I never leave home without a round brush. And then 3 other items that I always pack in my DOPP Kit, and then I carry with me from meeting to meeting in my briefcase or even in my pocket, is my beard brush, my comb, wide, narrow, as well as a little mustache comb as well. By the way, all 3 of these products I got from Volt Grooming. These are great because they're small, they're portable, and I'm able to carry them in my suit pocket or in my briefcase. And right before I walk into a meeting, I can make sure that my beard looks great, that my mustache is in place, and sometimes the brush isn't working, and I'll use the comb, and I'll make sure I'm in good shape. When that's done, I zip it up. I've got my DOPP Kit I'm ready to put it in my suitcase, and I'm ready to go. Time for us to get back out on the road. When you do, make sure you take your DOPP Kit with you. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Volt Grooming's page below. Me, along with other great content providers, are going to be bringing you videos in the future about all things having to do with men, men's health, men's grooming, and all those things that are important to men in general. And of course, we'll spend a lot of time talking about Volt Grooming and their great line of men's grooming products. We'll catch you next time.